Hey guys, welcome back to another math video. Today's topic is rounding tricks. And we've already gone fraction tricks, multiplication tricks, addition tricks, everything tricks, except rounding tricks. We want some rounding tricks. So our first question today is, the United Kingdom has an area of 93,638 square miles. Which of the following countries has an area closest to one half of that? Okay, so I've read the other questions. They're not exactly this easy. But if you do find something this easy, just look at Ghana, basically. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but look at this. Does this look like one half to you? No, this is not one half. This is okay. This is okay. Look, this is not one half. Okay, this is not one half. It's like 1,000 off from that. Okay, so you can just get rid of that right away. And then we can look at Greece here. This is 50K. 50K is one half of 100K. 100K is more than 93K. And then it also has this at the end, so it would actually be more than 100K, and that is not close to this. So you can also just cross out Greece. The Czech Republic is more like, I don't even think it's 1/3 of this. I don't think it's 1/3 of this. So it's definitely not one half of it. So the other ones aren't this easy, of course, but if you do come across some question that's this easy, just do it, all right? So the only remaining question is Korea. Or you can use the normal rounding strat, where you take this, you round it to 94000, and you divide that by 2. And then you get 47K. Now on to the second question. The Shanghai Tower has a height of 2,073 feet. Which of the following has a height closest to 1/3 of that of the Shanghai Tower? So we have here the General Motors store, which has a height of 705 feet, Wells Fargo Plaza, which has a height of 992 feet, and the John Hancock Center, which has a height of 1,127 feet, and the National Commerce Center in Hong Kong, which has the height of 1,588 feet. And right off the bat, oh my God, that big number. So if you multiplied 1,500, which is less than this, by the way, by 2, that would already be 3,000. And this is more, so that would be even more than 3,000. And if you multiply that by 3, if you multiply this number by 3, that would be more than 4,000. So 4,000 is not close to this number. Now let's look at the John Hancock Center over here. So 1,127 feet. That's probably close for the 2,700, but for the 1/3? That's for one half, and it's already more. It's like 200 more. And if you wanted the 1/3, that would be multiplied by 3. So that would be somewhere in the 3,000s at that point. So 3,000 is also not very close to that, so 900 off. So John Hancock Center, I'm sorry. So now we have the Wells Fargo Plaza. We see here that this is 992. 992 is 8 off from 1,000. So if you multiply that by 3, that would at least be more than 2,073. That would be somewhere in the 2,000s. So the Wells Fargo Plaza does not make the cut because it's barely under 1,000. So there's only one question left, which is the General Motors building, which has a height of this. So that pretty much matches. So there's an elimination game in this too. Mexico City has a population of 17,400,000. Which of the following has a population closest to 1/4 of that? Lagos, which has a population of 13,400,000. Okay. I just read the stupidest thing ever. 13,400,000, you say. Is that 1/4 of this number? No, it is not. Lagos is immediately out. I'm sorry. Beijing, which has a population of 8,614,000. And Madrid, which has a population of 4,900,000, or Phoenix, which has a population of 2,907,000. And right off the bat, we can do a bit of rounding here, obviously, because this is literally called rounding tricks. So 17,400,000 over here. We can more or less round that to 16 million because that's a lot easier to divide by 4, and it's pretty close too. So let's just use that for now, and if there's a number that's bigger than that pops up, then we can use that too, or closer. So we have a 16 million here divided by 4, which would be somewhere 4 million. And we see that if it's somewhere 4 million, then wouldn't that be a bit too big? Wouldn't it? And pretty much, you can see that 8 times 4 really isn't going to equal something near 17 million. Well, 8 million times 4. So that means that this is off. And you can see that Madrid here is somewhat close to 4 million. And it's a little bigger, but that's okay because we literally dropped 17,400,000 down. And there's Phoenix, which is a little small. Well, not little. This is like a 1 million gap difference. So, Phoenix, if you estimate it to about 3 million times 4 would be 12 million. So that's a bit small. And the only last eligible answer is Madrid, which is about 5 million, 4 million around. So that's the most valid answer. So I hope this video helped, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!